Hello everyone, welcome to episode 7 of Beginner to Pro Crochet Classes Series 2, and in this video we are going to learn how to make a daisy flower. So daisy flower should be in white color only, so I am using the white color baby soft yarn, 3.5 mm hook and pair of scissors. So let's get started. We will begin with magic ring. Since it is a flower, we'll begin with magic ring and make chain 1 into the magic ring. Chain 1 more. So these are the 2 chains that we have made in the magic ring, and then we will begin with half double crochets. So we will make total 10 half double crochets into this magic ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now close the magic ring and join this one to the very first stitch with the help of a slip stitch like this. Okay, so this round is done. Now we will have to make the petals of the daisy flower. For that we will do 1 2 and 3, chain 3, and into the same space here we'll insert our hook and we will make 1 double crochet. We'll make 1 more double crochet into the same space. Okay, and into the next space 1 2 and 3 double crochets will make into the next space. Okay, now we will do chain 2 here and insert your hook into the same space where we made 3 double crochet stitches. Pull and make a slip stitch like this. So first petal is done. We will do chain 3 again for second petal, and into the next chain space, into the next loop, we will work 2 double crochets. Now again into the next space we will work 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. Now again we'll do chain 2, insert your hook into the same space and make a slip stitch. So 2 petals done. Similarly we'll make 3 more patterns. For that we'll begin with chain 3 again. Into next space we'll make 2 double crochet stitches. Then into next space we'll work 3 double crochet stitches. Then chain 2 and insert your hook into the same space, make a slip stitch. Now again 3 chains, and into next space we will work 2 double crochets. Then into next 3 double crochets. Chain 2, back into the same space and make a slip stitch. For fifth petal we will do chain 3 again. Into this loop we will work 2 double crochet stitches. Into next loop we will work 3 double crochet stitches, 1 2 and 3. Okay, now chain 2 and insert your hook back into the same space and slip stitch. Now we will do chain 1 at the end and cut the yarn from here. So this medium size daisy flower is ready. Actually this is the right size. Daisy flowers are even smaller than this, so this is a good size to learn how to make daisy flowers. And if you want to make small also, let me know in the comment section. I'll teach you how to make mini flowers also. Now here we will pull this yarn and bring it to the center like this. Now we can join both the ends with the help of 2 or 3 tight knots to secure the flower. And cut the remaining thread. So this is our flower, it is ready. And if you want, you can attach a pearl also in the center. You can also make it in 2 colors. Maybe you can use the center part in yellow color or the petal parts in white color. So you can use 2 different colors as well. After the classes, I will, after all the all 3 series are completed, I will upload some bonus chapters also. In those episodes I will show you how to change the colors if you don't know, or how to join yarn, or how to change the colors in between a project. So I will cover all the things there in the bonus chapters also. So for now, that's it for today, and that's it for this video, and I will meet you in next video. Until then, practice this daisy flower making and make as much as flowers you can, as many as flowers as you can, and I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.